Hi, Paul here from prwilsonmedia. So, your friend has tagged you in a post on Facebook and it appears on your own timeline. But what if you want to take control of this? Maybe you're not happy that everything you're tagged in automatically appears on your own Facebook page. Here's how, with Facebook timeline and tagging settings, you can take control. Here we go. So yes, you might have noticed, you might get a notification. You can see that you've been tagged in a post and you've been posted. That post has automatically gone onto your timeline. So, to have a look at your settings, you need to go here to the top right hand corner, click on the drop down and click settings. In the timeline and tagging, you'll see all the options. The first one on the list is who can post on your timeline. So, if you notice in the drop down, you can actually stop anyone being able to post. And if you set that to only me. Okay, next one is who can see what anybody else posts on your timeline. The options there are your friends, even everybody. If you wanted to, you can make it public. Again, down to only me, where it's only visible to yourself. So certainly if you could stop people posting on your timeline, or even if you did allow them to make sure only you can see it, that's a good option. Let's get to the tagging part though. So who can see posts you tagged in on your timeline? At the moment, any of your friends can see those posts. Again, you could make that public if you wanted to, through to only me. When you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience if they can't already see it? So that's where you're mentioned, and you might want to be able to basically tag other people, so you can continue the chain of tagging. And this is how messages spread around. So again, you can make that to friends, or just restrict that to only yourself. Okay, that one's an option that's unavailable. I think it may be discontinued, I'm not sure. And then a review. So this is a really useful part. So you might be happy for them to tag you, you might not, but you want the choice. So simply turn on the review process, and you click on there, and then you enable the ability to review your post first. And that means that next time anyone tags you, you get to choose whether you approve it or you can hide it so it doesn't appear on your timeline. And if anyone tags somebody else on a post that you've written, again you can review whether they're allowed to copy that message, because obviously that means your post would then appear somewhere else. So again, it's a good idea to have that switched on. So yes, it's a great way to spread messages around, to engage with people. You can see why Facebook support it, but it's important to know that you have the ability to take control. It depends on how you're using Facebook. Are you someone who's active as a personal user or not? Are you comfortable with your images, with people seeing content personal to your inner space being shared elsewhere? At least you've got the option to make the choices by enabling the approval system. So I hope that was helpful. Do check out my other videos on Facebook and on all the other main social media platforms, all step-by-step 5-minute videos to really help you get the most out of social media. I'm Paul from prwilsonmedia, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.